What's up my friends, welcome to a brand new video here on my YouTube channel Nimul TV, and in this video we will be unboxing and having the first impressions on the GoPro's latest masterpiece. Let me introduce you to GoPro Hero 9. Alright, so GoPro just released their latest camera, which is the GoPro Hero 9. It was just out like 2 days ago with the price of $449, if I'm not mistaken, before the tax. The camera that I used to have, the GoPro one, was the GoPro Hero 5 that I've been using for a long time now, because this is really powerful. I know that it's kind of old, but it can still record in 4K with really decent quality. After this, I'm gonna make a video on how the actual footage taken with the GoPro Hero 9 looks like, which I'm just gonna post it and just put the link for that video up here and also below in the description. So just find it. If you cannot see it yet, that's because it's being edited right now, so thank you for your patience. So they've changed their packaging. Now GoPro has its own bag over here, and I cannot wait to just unbox this together and have our own first impression together. If this is your first time watching my videos, my name is Nima, and here on my YouTube channel I post video editing tutorials, tech reviews, and also vlogs, so make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you're not gonna miss a new video. Alright, so here we have the box. On this side you can see the new features that they've added, like the 20 megapixel photo shooting and hyper smooth version 3. And here are the stuff that you can find in the box. We have the actual case inside this box. Let me just open this and take it out. This is a hard case that you can use to carry your GoPro and its cables and everything with it anywhere that you want to go. It's like super tiny, and as you open it you have the documents, the paperwork, it's the stuff that we never take a look at. We have the USB-C cable. Over here we have the battery, which lasts 30% longer than the previous models. We have the mounts for the helmet or any surfaces that you want to just glue the camera to, and we have this to just make it tight. We have the actual camera here. Let me just take it out, and we can take this part out or just let it be there. Oh my god, I love this feeling of taking these wraps off of the camera. Alright, the camera's design is really good. I'm just comparing it to my GoPro. Huge improvement, and you can just open these are built-in, just connect it to anything you want. You won't need a case. We have the drain mic, the power, and the capture button. We have another mic here. Let me just, okay, it opens differently. Let me just put the battery in, close it. Okay, nice, and there we go. It's on. Okay, it's official. Okay, let's just choose the language. There's an agreement. Okay, legal stuff. Agree. GPS, yes. Let's turn it on. Okay, now I have to activate it. But oh my god, we have to put it in charge because it just had 3% of battery charge. Okay, I'm back. Let's just put a SD card in it. It's just next to the battery. We close it and open it and turn it on. Alright, so let's see what we have. We can swipe left and right to switch between the video, photo shooting, and time-lapse mode. If I just go to the video mode, I click over here and I can have different settings for recording my video. If I tap on this, I can choose my mode, which is video. We have looping, we have slow-mo. I'm just gonna put it on video. And then we can change our resolution. We have 5K, 4K, 2.7, and 1080. If I put it on 5K, I can record up to 30 frames or 24 frames per second. If I switch to higher frame rates, it's gonna drop the resolution to 4K. And I can switch my lens, but not on 5K. If I switch it back to 4K and go back, I'm gonna be able to change my lens settings. So if I put this here, we have different modes. We have narrow, linear, and what else we have? We have wide and super view as what we had in the previous models. We have hyper smooth, which is 100% recommended to get super smooth video shots, no shakes, almost. We can set the duration of the videos that we are recording from a couple of seconds. We can set a timer in here to create a delay before starting with the recording. We have a zoom setting, but not on this resolution. Over here, you can just change your image settings, video settings. So I'm just gonna discard these settings and go with the cinematic. This button over here, if I click on that, it's just gonna create a slow-mo video. I'm just gonna turn it off for now. If I click on this, I'm gonna have access to the same lens settings. By clicking here, I can activate the hyper smooth boost, which is 100% recommended to be always on. And zoom is not activated, and that's why we don't see that here either. If I swipe down, I have a couple of settings. If I click on that, I can just lock the screen rotation, the voice recording, the beeping can be switched from here, and also the quick captures, which I mean, you already know, it's like all over the GoPros. We have the grid on and off, and this setting over here controls the front display that we have. So right now we are on the like full screen. I can switch it. I can switch it to status mode. I can switch it off, and I can go back to full screen mode. Okay, if I swipe right, I have my settings. So the camera really is bigger than what I'm used to as the GoPro camera. So you can literally see the size differences between size-wise. This is pretty close to Hero 8, but a little bit bigger due to bigger battery size and stuff. But display is also tremendously bigger in the GoPro Hero 9. I mean, it's really good, but I would say still the touch experience has a delay, which is really uncomfortable sometimes, but I think over time you'll get used to it. We had the same issue with the old models as well. Of course, having the interchangeable lenses is going to be really helpful. I mean, as I mentioned, the battery has improved. That having the front display is going to be really good for people who are doing vlogging. The quality of the front display is really decent. I mean, I know that the background is black, but the quality is really good. Interchangeable lens is my favorite because I'm literally going to be able to replace it super easy, and also use third party or the max lens, which is around $100, but it's not released yet by GoPro, which is like the widest angle that you can get out of a GoPro. And also having this drain over here for the mic, so if you use it underwater, this is gonna be drained super fast, and you can have really good clear sound as soon as you take the camera out of water, because with the traditional ones you have to wait a while because the water is not going to come out of the holes. This is the best GoPro camera that you can purchase if you already don't have the GoPro Hero 8 and 7, I would say, because the change is not that big, but since the size is bigger, instruments and everything, the frames that you have, that is not going to work and fit this guy over here because the size is bigger. Having the 5K resolution is super useful. Why? Because you're gonna be able to record in 5K. You're gonna be able to crop and get rid of the extras that you have, and you're going to be able to zoom in without losing the quality while you are working on 4K. So I'm going to go out and start recording in outdoors, underwater, and different situations, and then I'm just going to make a video and do a review on the footages, and then put the link up here, and also gonna put the link to that video below in the descriptions. So far so good. The first impression is really good, but I still need to figure out if it's really worth the price tag of $449.99. So stay tuned, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do that today and turn on your bell notifications so you'll be notified when I post my next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you had any questions, please let me know below in the comments. Be safe, practice social distancing, wear a mask, and see you soon.